Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make installment payments. It's really simple. It's very much like how you made the payments for corporate taxes. In your online banking, there is the government tax paying module. Go to that and select tax payments for TXINS. That's for installment payments. So go and pay. After year-end tax is filed, your accountant is going to give you a tax installments. If you have taxes that is likely to be paid next year, there will be a schedule. Look out for this schedule. Your payment could be monthly or quarterly. In this case, I have a quarterly. The thing to note out for is for the next fiscal year-end date. And on your schedule, it should show you for our schedule, or for our example here, it's September 30th, 2022. I've already set the first installment payment, so I'm going to go and set March, June, and September. I'll show you. You can set all of these right in one time, so that when the time comes, your bank will automatically make those installment payments for you. So set it and go. So I'm going to come to the module here, and for period end, for all of your installment payments, it's going to be the same next fiscal year end. So in our case, September 30th, 2022. I'm going to put the amount that we're going to pay for installment payments in the interim. That's also the other important item to note. The amount here is 1567, so I'll put it in for 1567. The one we're paying for is March. It is due on March 31st, 2022. So I want to pay it at least 3 business days beforehand. Monday here looks good. So March 28th, 2022. For the period end of next year end, that looks good. Interim amount, that looks good. Set next, that is good. And I'm going to submit. So that one is in. So let's do the next ones for the next period, which is the next month. So the next period end is, sorry, not next period end, but our next year end is that amount. 1567 is still the same. Yep. And this one's for June. So let's go June, supposed to be the end of June. So let's set it for Monday, which is June 27th. That's at least 3 business days beforehand. Set that okay and submit. Okay, June is in. So let's set the last one. Same year-end date, September 30th, 2022. And it's 1567. Let's take a quick look. Yes, it is. For September 30th is the payment date. So I want it just a few days before September 30th. Tuesday would be good, but I'm going to set it for Monday again to keep it consistent. So that's all good. That's the period end date. The amounts in the interim field, that looks right. Payment date, at least 3 business days ahead. Oh, sorry, didn't select the account. There it is. Set, submit. That is done. Excellent. Okay, so I've set all the interim and installment payments for the next fiscal year just right now. And I can have a check. Most online banking systems allow you to check to see your future transactions. And here it is for all the installment payments that I have to pay for next fiscal year. The amounts there look good. December was already due. March, June, September, that looks good. And it is based on the installment, corporate tax installments, the tax account number, that looks good. Okay, everything's done. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Check out for a couple more videos that we have coming up, and we'll see you soon.